What if the price of your next phone skyrockets due to new tariffs? President Trump has announced a 25% tariff on imported aluminum and steel, with no exemptions. This isn't the first time Trump has imposed such tariffs. Similar ones were introduced in 2018. But this time, there will be no duty-free exemptions for countries like Canada, Mexico, or the EU. Aluminum is crucial for premium handsets like Samsung's Galaxy S25 and Apple's iPhone 16. Rumors suggest the iPhone 17 will switch to aluminum across the board, raising concerns about costs. However, these tariffs target raw materials, not finished products or processed components. Most phones from Samsung and Apple are not manufactured or assembled in the United States. Neil Shah from Counterpoint Research explains that finished goods enter the US, so tariffs on raw materials don't impact phone prices directly. Apple's supply chain is global, with metal processing companies in China, Japan, Taiwan, India, and South Korea. By the time metals cross the US border, they are no longer raw materials, avoiding the tariffs. However, the 10% tariffs on Chinese goods could directly impact phone prices. Around 80% of the world's phones are made in China, including millions of iPhones. Gary Shapiro from the Consumer Technology Association warns that tariffs are taxes on American consumers. Apple's share price dropped 3% after the China tariffs were announced. Analysts suggest that a full 10% price increase may not be passed to consumers due to the tough economy. Apple has previously negotiated tariff exemptions, and it might happen again. Trump's tariffs aim to boost American domestic industry, but making iPhones in the USA would be costly. The expertise and infrastructure for phone production have been built outside the West over decades. TSMC's new plant in Arizona is producing Apple A16 chips, but it's 2 generations behind the latest designs. The journey to a more US-made iPhone is long and uncertain, but every step counts.